In this video, I'm going to show you how to set out of office in Outlook Mobile. Now to do this, first you want to open your app. You want to go to the top left where you can see the Outlook icon, so just tap on that. And then from here you want to go to settings, which are located at the very bottom left of my screen. So tap on those settings, bottom left, and there we go. In here you can see under quick settings, the third one over here is automatic replies. You want to tap on that one, and you want to enable them by tapping on this toggle icon. And as you can see here, you can then set out of office in Outlook Mobile. So first, you have to select if you want to only reply during a time period. So if you want to set a period from 2, you can do this over here. You can select your start and your end as well. Or if you just want to basically turn this on right now and then turn it off manually whenever you come back to your office, that's also going to work. I'm just going to do reply during a time period over here, and it's going to start. For example, I'm going to tap here. Let's say I'm going to start on the 30th of July. I'm going to tap on OK, and then I'm going to end on, let's just do, for example, I don't know, maybe like the 7th of August. I'm going to tap OK. And then on the right, you can also set your time. So my time is going to be, for example, from, let's just do like, I don't know, maybe we're going to do something like 1 p.m. over here like this, and then I'm going to do it to 5 p.m. on August 7th. Okay, that's it. You could also go and block your calendar, which means that this is going to create an event for this period that shows you as out of office. So if you want to do this, I'm going to actually do that, and you want to add your event title. So I'm going to type in out of office like this, and I'm going to type holiday as well. Okay, just for an example. When you've done this, you can go ahead and also clear your calendar, so it's going to decline and cancel your meetings during this period. If you have any, they're going to display over here, and then you can simply select what you want to reply with. So tap on where it says reply to everyone with, and you can type in whatever you want. So anybody who's going to send you an email is going to receive this automatic response, and you can set it whatever you want it to be. So you could do something like I'm out of office. I'll be back on, for example, I don't know, and then your date, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. Then tap on the check mark top right. Again, tap on the check mark top right. And you've done this. You can see over here under automatic replies, it says when they're starting. And of course, you can see and edit anything if you want. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.